In this video, we show how to replace a M.2 NVMe SSD module in a PowerEdge M7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information or support about the PowerEdge M7725, visit dell.com support. To begin, first remove the Boss N1 modular DC MHS from the system. To remove the M.2 NVMe SSD module, remove the screw and pull out the SSD module away. To install the M.2 NVMe SSD module, align the module in its place and tighten the screw. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com support.